Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to recover lost data on your iPhone using Apple's built-in data recovery tool. So let's get started. First of all, open any browser like Safari, Chrome and go to the cloud option. Sign in with your Apple ID. Then once you are in, you will see a lot of your backed up data like photos, notes and files stored in iCloud Drive. To recover deleted files, click on the apps menu at the top. There you will find a data recovery tool that can restore deleted files from iCloud Drive, contacts, calendar, events, Safari, bookmarks. If you are deleted something, check if it appears in the recovery list. Select the file, choose a recovery date and restore it. Your recovered data will sync back to your phone automatically. That's how you recover lost data on your iPhone using iCloud. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.